We were ready to do some trials in the university in Dublin, and COVID, the first lockdown happened, and we got permission in conjunction with the HSE, which is our public health service, and the regulator to start flying. And we built on that, and we started to build a lot of flights, a lot of confidence with the regulator. We based our permissions on the SORA framework, so there's a very good structured way to describe our operation. And again, regulation isn't that black and white. It's about building confidence and building trust, showing that you can do the crawl, walk, run, right? And collecting data, showing the data, being transparent about everything. And we're in Ireland. We work with the IAA, that are a regulator that really wants to help. So that's how we got flying, and we're flying now in Dublin. We've served over 46,000 people, and in a very densely populated suburb. And it's because we have close to 100,000 flights. We show all our data. We work hand in hand with the regulator. You don't need that much structure to build trust, right? Structure enables scale, and we're subscale now. So it's a really good way for both sides of the equation to learn. Us to learn as an operator, and the regulator to learn what's fit for purpose in terms of regulation.